Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I'm going to go over a very fun design team project haul that I received last night from Country Craft Creations. I got a package of, I'm going to start with antique gray linen Artisan cardstock. If you haven't tried the Artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, you need to get this paper. It comes in a slew of different colors and it is just like butter. You can fold it and crease it and you can tear it, you know, with a tearing ruler and that kind of thing if you're into that more grungy or a look that doesn't have straight edges like I do a lot of times, and it looks beautiful both ways. I want to go through with you this paper collection. I went and got the 12 by 12 size of this, and if you aren't excited about this, I don't know what, but this just makes me happy. I'm getting ready to go on a camping trip like a lot of you in Country Craft Creations Facebook page, scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations are aware, and I cannot wait to put some pictures in an album I make with this. So let's get going. As you know, you get 2 sheets of the cut aparts and the ephemera pieces. And so I got, as part of my design team haul, one of these is already cut so that it makes it easy to pop out, and the other one can be fussy cut. I know that the cutter got the blades fixed, so I believe this is going to be available. I know on the website, the pre-order had these die cuts available with the package, so check out the website. But anyhow, since you get 2, don't forget the back side is usually beautiful as well. And this is such a nice color. It's fantastic. So let me show you some of these die cuts. Isn't that just so cute? Look at the water color. Can you mix some water color paper in with this? Look at those mountains. If you're into kayaking, I love it. Picnicking, it's just so outdoorsy, fun, cutesy. I love you to the moon and back, but I love you to the mountains and back. Super sweet. Look at this bear, so pretty. Okay, next you get the cut aparts. Look at these 4 by 6s here. Isn't that beautiful? Those flowers, milk jug, beautiful rushing water through the mountains there. Evening camping trip. So you have your s'mores. These are your 3 by 4s right here. How sweet is this? Right here, there's your picnic again, and of course your tent. You get your border strips down at the bottom. Isn't that sweet? The back side of that sheet, beautiful as well. Look at all of those trees, the forest. So again, if you're not into using every bit of this paper, because other than the cut aparts and the die cuts, you get 3 sheets of each of the other pages. So make sure you use those B sheets, those B sides. I mean, this is not even a B side really, but it is. So here's the next sheet. This is the back side of that. So you get this lovely image. Look how cute. All those different campers. Isn't that not the sweetest? I'm in love with this paper. I'm in love with this paper. Then you have the small little version, and on the back side, look at this, the speckled. Oh my gosh, it's so darling. It's so darling. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Next one, your outdoor camping, your tents, your lanterns and water bags, picnic area. It's just so pretty. You got your polka dots. Beautiful. You got more of your lunch pails and picnic. Like that. And then you get this check pattern on the back side. How sweet is that? Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view, right? I want to camp here. You can pull your little kayak up, get some exercise. I can just feel the cool autumn breeze coming in right through the tent, through the little window there. Looking at the sunset in the mountains. Beautiful. This is the back side. You get your golds coming through, the splatters here. So pretty. The teals, the corals. Yes. I think this is my favorite paper ever from Country Craft. I don't know. There's so many to choose from though. Now I sound like Sally. Everyone is my favorite. Everyone. But this one today is my favorite. Look how pretty this is. Doesn't it just make you want to be there? Look how inviting it is. On the chair, just hanging out, listening to the breeze. Sun in your face. Beautiful sky. That's the back side. You got your nighttime s'mores. My grandkids love the s'mores. And Nani, not so much about the cleaning up part, but they have a super fun time. Cooking over the campfire stove. Look at that. There's your campfire. Isn't that pretty? Awesome. Here's the back side. Nighttime sky. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. You have the campfire. You're making the s'mores. You got the nighttime sky in the background. Perfect. Just perfect. And here you go. We're pulling along with our little, I don't know, Subaru station wagon. Going out into the wilderness. Yep, I'm okay with the glamping. I love it. And there's your greens. I love this collection. I'm going to be cutting into it now. But together with this collection and this Artisan gray cardstock, I also got the glass charms from Prima. It's the Luna. I was thinking that was going to be fun. Yeah, I mean, you can use, look, these corals, the black. Isn't that nice? Yep. Chunky charm to go along with it. Look, the noise. I love it. Super fun. Check out the links below for how to get to these products available at Country Craft Creations, and the website is always being updated with new stuff. You can also check out my YouTube other videos for prior projects for Country Craft Creations. And until next time, everyone, happy crafting you all. Bye.